How to unfollow creators on Twitter. Our guys taking easy to unfollow creators onto his application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To unfollow creators onto his application, first of all open Tweez on your mobile device. Once you open the Tweez application, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now look at the left bottom of your screen where you can see this option for home. Just simply tap on it. Now click on followings. After you click on followings, you will be able to see creators that you have followed. In order to unfollow them, just simply tap on the profile icon. Once you click on it, you can see this heart shape. Tap on it. You are looking to unfollow, right? Just simply tap on yes. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna unfollow creators onto his application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.